Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you a unique money-making strategy that will help you earn passive income. This strategy shows you how to make $20 in 1 minute with Pinterest. This is a free website and it is worldwide available. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. OfferVault.com is the website I'd like to introduce to you today. And if you're curious about the payment, you can see here that you can make up to $50. If you scroll down further, you'll find more deals, some of which might be valued up to $700. The first thing you should do when you arrive at the OfferVault page is scroll down and seek for the category's popular searches. It may be found here, and it lists the top 10 categories on which you should concentrate your efforts. This is the way to go if you want to make a maximum money. I'd like to demonstrate how to use a gift card right now. All you have to do is go to this website and select on the gift card category to see all of the gift card bargains. Moving down from there, you can see that the first column is the name of the offer. And from there, you can see the payment, which is in this case $38. Also, keep in mind that the procedure can be repeated. You will find a plethora of offers on OfferVault, not just one. Look at this deal right here, where you can enter the 500 Amazon gift card sweepstakes, get a 20 in a one click, and do it all by clicking right here. This will send you to this page where the name of the deal can be found. In other words, they'll pay you $20 per head or $20 for a single click. In a nutshell, it is the official webpage for this promotion. You'll be taken to this OfferVault page if you click on that. There are literally thousands of different offerings available, and to be clear, none of these websites require development because they have already been built for you. As a result, people who click on your link will be directed to this page, where they may complete the form and enter information such as their name, address, and so on. You're one click away from a $20 lead when they click the next button. That's all there is to it. Not to mention the fact that the best thing about OfferVault and CPA marketing is you don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is share one simple link with others and you'll be paid $20 for each click. The strategy is simple to duplicate and apply to any offer. You're on OfferVault right now, where you can make as much money as you want. Now I'll teach you how to get thousands of free clicks from any country on the earth. This is a secondary website where you can get a lot of free traffic by having people click on your link. And I'm sure you're aware of it because it's popular. The website's name is Pinterest. In a moment, I'll show you how to sign up, but first, let me show you some examples. There are already a lot of Amazon gift card photographs on the Pinterest main page. Consider this one, where a large number of people are displaying numerous free Amazon gift card graphics. If I click on this image, I'll be taken to this page as shown here, where I can see that this is actually a link to a $500 Amazon gift card. This individual will get money if I click on this link right now or fill in the details. And as you can see, many people are utilizing this exact strategy to get a lot of people to click on their Pinterest link. All they do, for example, is publish a picture and share it with others. To return to this page now that I have another $500 Amazon gift card, all I have to do is click on this image right here. It's very simple. They simply construct a title, a description, and a link, which when I click on this link is the CPA affiliate link. This individual will get $20 if you go to this page, fill in the information, and then click on this button, which counts as one click. It's as simple as that. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to make those photos and pictures? Don't worry, I'll show you how to obtain them, and they'll be completely free. You don't have to take any of the photos yourself, and no technical or creative skills are required. I'll show you how to create a free Pinterest account. I'd like you to go to Google and enter on Pinboard to see your board. Then click on the first link that appears. From there, you'll be sent to Pinterest's main page. Basically, this website is used by a number of people to share various images and photos. At this moment, you only need to provide your email address, password, and age. Because it's absolutely free and accessible from anywhere, it's tailor-made for you. As a result, you notice that on your Pinterest dashboard when you log in, basically, you can view a range of recommendations as well as photos and images. And as you can see, all you have to do to make a new pin is click on the link to the right. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Now, you'll do something easy that won't take up much time. When giving away $500 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is submit an image and give it a title. Your title will be accompanied by a brief description. As you can see, the most important thing is to leave a link to the target site right here. As a result, it only shows how to upload a photo and fill out all the essential fields. Because Pinterest is such a popular website, hundreds of thousands of people will likely visit it on a regular basis in search of free Amazon gift cards, and they will eventually come across your images. Now, the more photos you upload and private messages you send, the more people will eventually click on the link to claim their free Amazon gift card. And you can expect a big number of individuals to do so every day. Some of them are currently completing the form, but you should be aware that others may not. However, because there is no selling or money involved, there is a good chance that people will fill out the form. They merely need to fill out the form and they can make $20 with only one click. There is no price for this. It is completely unrestricted. Now I'll show you how to get free images from Google. When you go to google.com, all you have to do is click on images. Type in a keyword like free Amazon gift card and hit the search button. You can then go to Google and download, copy and paste a number of photos and voila! It is now possible to re-upload to Pinterest. Keep in mind that all of these images are copyrighted, which means that you can't just grab and use other people's photos. In fact, doing so is illegal. So let me teach you more crucial step. If you do not do so, you will not make any money. Right now, I'd like you to go to settings and click this link to see your advanced search. Simply click that to go to this page where you can check your usage rights. You can get to the bottom of the page if you scroll all the way down. You can choose any license in Overvolt. However, you must now choose Creative Commons licenses, which allow you to legally share this image with others. You are free to download and use them in any way you like. Simply choose this category for usage rights and then press the blue Advanced Search button. As you can see, this link only provides you with the pictures that are licensed under a Creative Commons license, which allows you to reuse them. If this person has access to your license, for example, you may practically download this image to your phone or computer by clicking on it. In reality, I've been successfully downloading this image to my computer, and when I click on it, it opens up. We'll have to re-upload that image to Pinterest because it was downloaded. So all you have to do now is go back to Pinterest and drag and drop. And I'll upload these by clicking on these buttons to upload the image. And we've uploaded my image successfully. We'll post the title for this image right here in this column when free Amazon gift cards are in limited supply. It'll be along these lines, and it'll be very appealing title with a lot of clicks. For now, the description should read, simply click on the link above or below, complete out the form, and you'll be entered to win a free Amazon gift card. The link you included in this section will probably be clicked. After copying my affiliate links into this column, all I have to do now is click the Save button. You may just browse for different free photos, copyrights, free images, download them, and re-upload them right here on Pinterest, just like everyone else. People are more likely to fill out this form and finally click on your link if they see your visuals and realize they don't have to spend anything to win a free Amazon gift card. Why then would a vast number of individuals not fill them up? I would not hesitate, and with each and every click, you will regularly earn $20, if not more. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how we'll help you earn passive income. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.